Welcome to our sample homeroom for elementary students at EBUS Academy. What we've done here is we've put together sort of a mock homeroom so you get an idea of what you're going to see this fall with your teacher. Every teacher is going to have some parts of this within their homeroom, and the first thing that you're going to see will be the news from your teacher. And this is simply a forum where your teacher is going to be able to post any information that you might need to know about upcoming trips or about report cards or about V classes or other events that they might want everybody to know about. The second box here is called the topic box, and the first topic box is going to be about your teacher, probably going to have some information about how to contact them, as well as any information that they might want to share with you, including a picture. Now in this box it also talks about being able to message, and within our Moodle program we have a messaging system where you can simply click on message and you can find the person you want to talk to, and you can type in any sort of chat that you want to have, and it will go directly to that person and then they can reply to you. The next thing you're going to see possibly is a weekly activity, and so each week your teacher is going to post something for you to try or do, something that maybe you're going to share with other kids in your homeroom, or maybe just with that one grade, so only the grade 4s might be doing something. And so the idea is that you would come back into the homeroom at least on a weekly basis to see what's going on, because this is really where you can do a lot of communicating with your teacher and with other students in our school. So the next thing you're going to see is a topic box that's specifically for the month that we're in, and this is an example of October. And within October, these are the types of things that the teacher is wanting to see from each of their students. So for language arts activities, it is also a forum in which things are going to be posted maybe on a certain theme, or certain questions that might want to be answered. Maybe there's going to be some poetry writing that month. Maybe it has to do with a certain type of celebration that's going on. Math activities, these are simply journals where you're going to tell your teacher what types of things you've been doing in math. You might even be able to upload some of your work there so they can see how you're doing. Social studies activities for everybody in grade 4 through 7 to be able to do. An example might be reading the What in the World and doing some of the activities within that. And underneath the other subjects, there are a couple of things you're going to see there, including a fine arts gallery where you'll be able to put up anything that you might have done in art, or a video of you dancing, or music, perhaps you're playing, and other students will be able to see or hear what you've done and be able to write some nice comments about what they see. The assignments for October would be just a place where any other things that you might want to send in to your teacher, that you could do that. And it's simply uploading these activities, and it goes right to your teacher and stays within our system here. So this is just an introduction to what the homeroom you might see. Another thing that you could possibly see on one side, these are called blocks. So over here we have a calendar in which perhaps certain events might get posted, and so if it's highlighted, you know something's happening that day. And in this case, this is a block, a word of the day. So each day that you come in, there's going to be a different word to learn. So after watching this video, what you can do is actually click on some of the different activities, and within them there are some more videos to see about how would you actually use the activity.